Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Madhur Kukreja,
And myself, Avinash Kohli,
are here to represent SPA Bhopal with the theme Planning Revolutions in 21st Century. And the topic we are going to present is Inclusive City Transportation Analysis of BRTS in Promotion of Equity. Friends, the first question which comes to our mind is, why equity assessment in transportation? Well, the graph suggests that the portion of net income that's spent on the transportation, almost 60 to 70% of that income goes into the private transportation realm, which includes vehicle purchases and fuel purchases. That's constant amongst all income groups. So if we can reduce that, that percolates into all income groups, that's ultimately equitable for all income groups. So in Asian cities, what is the solution that they have proposed? For the next generation transportation platforms like LRT, BRT or MRT, which we talk about, they are the most equitable and the most sustainable thing which Asian cities have evolved into is BRT. And why so? What is evident from the graph is BRT has the lowest capital cost and the most efficient in terms of economic, social and environmental. So that's the case. The number of cities having BRTS has shown have shown in the economic profiling. Both Ahmedabad and Jakarta have been profitable from 6 months to 1 year, operationally profitable. Again, they are capital intensively profitable from the next year itself. Add to that fuel savings and time savings, it's remarkably good.
Now coming to the parameters that we have chosen for the assessment of the social equity. What are the parameters? Parameters are planning process, route optimization, safety, modal split, income group catered, and multimodal integration. Let's come to the planning process. Now the planning process in the case of Ahmedabad.
Basically a transportation planner.
And that's a good fortune.
I don't know. My question is very simple. I am a patient, you are a doctor. I am suffering from cancer. Which medicine you give me? Painkiller or chemotherapy?
Chemotherapy, because it is a long lasting, that's why.
So translating this into the philosophy into the technical question is, why BRTs have failed in some cities, have succeeded in other cities?
Sir, it depends on the model you choose for it. For example, if I may say so, it depends on the population density as well as the kind of the structure the city is spread. So for example, in Delhi the population density is quite high. Moreover, Delhi is a 5 million plus city. So with a population of 5 million plus, I mean greater than 5 million. So it failed. And whereas if you look wherever BRTS more or less has succeeded, it is basically in cities which is with a population of 1 to 5 million. So what we have seen is an increasing trend that cities which are